Good afternoon. My name is Julian Sanchez, and today I'm going to talk about Barichara, Colombia. That is the place in Colombia I choose. And well, first we're gonna see it's a little town. So you have like in little towns here in Colombia, they have the church and the houses all around the place. So the church in Barichara is called Immaculada Concepción, and it's located in the upper side of the mountain near to El Cañón del Chicamocha. Well, as you can see, Barichara is a magical place. You can see in the streets a lot of coffee places, traditional food, and you can go to El Cañón del Chicamocha that is close by. And if you go uphill in the taxis you have in the streets, you can see the whole canyon from the top of the mountain. The traditional dessert or the traditional food, one of the traditional food is called hormigas culonas, and they taste like peanuts. They are super small and they are like crunchy. So if you go to Barichara or you go to Santander, you have to taste hormigas culonas because they are like the typical food over there. Also, you can see like if you go, it's a small town, you can find that they drink in like aguardiente, and they meet up in the center place that is in front of the church, and you can spend there like the night and drink with your friends or everything you want to do is like a calm place, and you can enjoy a lot. So well, this is Barichara. I hope you enjoy your stay there, and this was my presentation. I'm Julian Sanchez for the final project of virtual English. Thank you.